Tonight we're at Universal Studios Hollywood for the Pass Member Park Takeover. They do this every year, twice a year, once in the summer and once during the holidays. It is going to be a fun time tonight. There are specialty drinks, there are DJs, dance parties, all sorts of fun stuff to do. Let's head into here. It officially starts at 8. You can come in as early as you wanted and runs till midnight. I'm going to wait for this water to dump behind me. Will it dump? We just missed it last time. Should we put a little timer on the clock? The Jeopardy timer? No. Maybe not. It looks like there is no wait for the studio tour. Let's head on and see if there's anything new for the mega movie summer that starts in a week and a half, because the big ship thing from the Odyssey is supposed to be out there. Nick doesn't want to sit with me, apparently. And Michelle's over there. Say hi, Michelle.
My name is Rachel. We're watching from observation decks on top of each one of the buildings. Back in the day when movies were silent pictures. Nowadays we have talking pictures. So what ended up happening? Well, we did have to remove our audiences for quite some time. All year long, especially at the heart of NBC Universal, the front line. Now, when we talk about movies and TV shows being made, they're made in something we like to call the production process. A 3-step process that starts off wrapped up working on season 5 of Hacks with Hannah Einbinder and Gene Smart. We've been working on other TV shows like 5 Star Weekend. That is
I like films that just take you away from your real life.
Right here on Universal Life. Now, like most TV shows, we are a multi-camera sitcom, meaning several cameras capture every scene from a different angle, all at the same time.
The park through the tour, you can actually good to go on the back lot and watch something be taped live, which is pretty cool. Now we're going to travel to another half.
Not supposed to be here. I can't risk going to the bad place.
Maybe it's not all that bad.
How can I help you?
What is the bad place like?
George is getting out of that water. We might not either. Uh-oh. Okay, so we're just gonna hide. We're gonna hide over here behind these barrels of gasoline, which are able to protect all 100 of us from any incoming shark attacks. I can guarantee. Okay, never mind. I'm so sorry. I lied. That's not a good thing. That is really bad for us right now. Fire! Oh, goodness. Desperate Housewives here. In fact, this is where we filmed a little bit of a TV show earlier on with Keke Palmer called The Burbs, and that just released this February.
Welcome to Ashfield Place, the safest town in America. So, what's the deal with that Victorians? There have been whispers of murder. Which one of us is the murderer?
So are we gonna go in? Do white ladies love salads? Hell yeah, we're going in.
All episodes of The Burbs are streaming now on Peacock. It stars Keke Palmer. Alrighty, folks, I hate to break it to you, but currently we are all in danger. We're at the Bates Motel from the movie Psycho. Screen used ship from Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey, starring Matt Damon. Be sure to see Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey in theaters starting July 17th, which is, again, about a month and a half from now. We can't wait for you all to see it when it comes out.
I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but they are handing out Coke Cherry Float. And we had this at the fair, and it was delicious. And there's also Mr. Pibb. Apparently, there's Cherry Mr. Pibb, Pickin' and Cherry Mr. Pibb. That Coke Float's delicious. They're playing The Weeknd. Nightmare Trilogy? Actually, I saw somebody wearing a sweatshirt from that earlier. There's a lot of Horror Night shirts here tonight. Have you noticed that? I'm wearing my FanFest Night shirt. There are DJs and a silent disco in different locations in the park. So we're going to go now and see the nighttime lights at Hogwarts Castle, if you can hear me.
I'm the Hogwarts sorting hat. There's nothing I can't see. So try me on and I will tell you where you ought to be. You might belong in Gryffindor, where dwell the brave at heart. You might belong in Hufflepuff, where they are just and loyal. Or yet, in wise old Ravenclaw, if you've a ready mind. Or perhaps in Slytherin, those kind folk use any means to achieve their ends. So, just try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be.
I love that they are playing country music. They never play country music at Universal. Love somebody. That is it from Universal Studios Hollywood, the Pass Member Park Takeover. This was so much fun. We love that Universal does this. If you are a Pass member, make sure you check the Pass Member page on their website. Also sign up for the emails. They usually let you know a few weeks in advance. You have to register and get your ticket. It is a limited capacity, and they also do one at Christmas too. So if you're not a pass holder yet, sign up for that Pass Member benefits. We have Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift opening anytime now. They were testing like crazy tonight. So hopefully that'll be open soon. Love this, ton of fun. We enjoyed the rides, the shows, just hanging out, the music. It was a really good time, good friends, and a good crowd of people, all Pass members that love the park. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. Follow us on social media, and that is it. We'll be back here in the next couple days to check on that coaster and let you know as soon as we see its soft opening.